Well, it's been a while since I gave an update, so here's what I've been working on. I got this window installed today. We still got to put the trim around it, secure it, all that. But it's square. It's in there. It's good. Happy with it. But what I decided to work on in the heat of the day was these ladder jacks. I priced these out on the internet. The cheapest I could find decent ones was about $100. I saw some on Craigslist for $60, but they said they were antiques. So I thought, I bet I can make these. So what I did is I took a piece of, I guess it's 2-inch tube steel, square tube. I cut it in half and made my own I-beams. Just cut it in half and then welded the back together. You can see that. And then I did some geometry and figured out that a ladder at a 70-degree angle, I'll put the plans on my website, but basically I got all these angles. I think it's about 18 inches for each length of this C channel. And then down here on the bottom, I'll show you what that's for in a minute. But anyway, these are good if you know how to weld. This shouldn't be hard to make. And I already tried it out. Let me pause the video and I'll turn them upside down. So you can either put them on the back of the ladder, which I like because then you can step right off the ladder onto the platform. Or for some reason, you can have them on the front of the ladder. So let me show you how that looks. Okay, just turned them upside down, and now you can see what this piece is for. This keeps your lumber from sliding off the back of your ladder while you're standing there. Anyway, so all you need is 2 ladders. I think it's 2 5-foot-long pieces of C channel, and I think I'd go longer with the supports. Probably I got 2 feet of support, but I think I would do 4 feet. So I'd do like 1 foot, 1 foot, and then 1 foot on the other end, 2 feet on the other end. So 2 feet on both ends, 1 foot per rung. But anyway, this is really going to help when I get going on the insulation and the chinking and all the fun stuff we got to do. All the way up there. I can't imagine climbing up and down a ladder all day long, dragging, chinking, and whatever else. So yeah, probably about $25 and about an hour and a half of welding, cutting, and probably an hour of design. But I'll put the plans on my website. You don't have to do any designing. You just download the plan and measure and cut.